2 years ago, the Dunn Lab opened its doors. Many young and promising postdocs applied for positions there. All of them were given a project and began from scratch. Each month, they were given a new challenge, and one by one, postdocs who failed were eliminated, leaving the top 3, Pauline, Sandy, and Yusuf, to battle it out in the finals. Who will become the winner of Project Dunnway?
Previously on Project Dunnway,
I am very independent. I do everything on my own, including clearing stuff.
Stocking up is all part and parcel of the job.
I swear I use one box of tips faster than I can actually load it.
as you know, in science, one moment you're in and the next you're out.
Hi, I'm Sandy, and I'm working on nodal signaling in Dunn's lab. As you all know, our lab is interested in converting ES cells into beta islet cells for diabetes treatment. The objective of my work will actually be to elucidate more clearly the mechanism that underlies the first step, that is the conversion of the ES cells to definitive and nodal. And I'm trying to understand more clearly how nodal signaling is involved in this process and what are the target genes of nodal signaling that are involved. I'm culturing my N-terminally flag tag cell lines. These are the cell lines that are used to pull down SMAD2 for chip sequencing. What I have to do most of the time is to grow lots and lots of them, and then fix them, and then bring them down to level 4 to sonicate them, and then try to do a chromatin immunoprecipitation. And yeah, I think very soon we will find some very interesting candidates to further functionalize with gain of expression and loss of expression assays.
Hi, in Ray Dunn's lab, I'm taking care of enriching pancreatic progenitors that we derive from human ES cells. Human embryonic stem cells present an alternative and infinite source of cells that can be cultured and differentiated in vitro into pancreatic beta-like cells, which can be used for cell replacement therapies. Our lab has developed an effective and reproducible in vitro culture system to coax HES cells into becoming pancreatic progenitors. We derived a stable transgenic HES cell line where an 8 kb genomic fragment, 5' to the start site of PDX1 containing essential promoter elements, is used to direct the expression of a cell surface marker, in this case mouse CD4, which can be used for subsequent selection and enrichment. Upon differentiation of this stable line using our in vitro culture regime, mouse CD4 will be expressed on cells that are PDX1 positive. Using a simple max sorting technique, we will be able to purify a pure population of HES cell-derived pancreatic progenitors. This homogeneous population of cells can then be further differentiated into insulin-producing cells through the transient or stable expression of co-transcription factors like NGN3 and MEF-A.
I'm Yusuf and I'm working in the Dun lab. So my project entails the differentiation strategies from embryonic stem cells to pancreatic beta cells. What the Dun lab is interested in is to understand the mechanisms that underlie this specification process and the different growth factors that are involved when you move from embryonic stem cells to pancreatic beta cells. In addition to characterizing these genes in the frog embryo, some of these genes that show very promising and adverse phenotype change during development in the frog embryo, we then designed knockout cassettes for this gene to actually target it into the mouse ES cells so that we can generate knockout animals for these genes to find out what's the phenotype after knocking out this particular gene. So this whole project, this first project of mine, really is involved in looking and characterizing novel genes that are involved in the definitive endoderm, and the development of definitive endoderm is an important prerequisite for the formation of pancreatic endoderm cells as well as insulin secreting beta cells.
So now I'm going to extract my genomic DNA from all my testicles.
Up and down. Somebody tell me what to do.
It will work. It never stops. Project Dunway, what can I say? It's down to 3 and the competition is stiff. Both Pauline and Sandy are outstanding in what they do. So I have to give something extra. And what's the extra that I give?
Of course it's not easy to be a postdoc in Ray Dun's lab. I mean, look at all those who came and left. Nobody survived, it's just us top 3. And of course the competition is getting tougher, but I'm confident I'm going to make it.
And I'm currently still bashing my head against the wall. So once this is achieved, I think I'll have a great breakthrough in science.
What's there to say? I'll just let my work do the talking.
Of course I'm the best postdoc that Ray Dun can have. I mean, what more can he ask for?
Of course it has to be me.
See you at the Dunway!